This is Mark Hosky with Control Engineering. We're at PAC Expo with Hans Rogers of SEW Eurodrive. Hans is going to tell us a little something about energy efficiency today.
Mark, welcome to the SEW booth. What we've got here is a conveyor that is running a like load on both sides. We've got what is industry standard for normal gear motor installation with an inverter, panel mount, or IP65 on the machine. Pretty standard in the industry for controlling a conveyor and being able to vary the speed. The new technology that we're pitting our existing product line against is what we call the Mobi gear.
So this particular application is doing what?
It's currently running a conveyor with conventional technology and a like load on the same conveyor for the new technology. This is what we call Mobi gear, Mark. This is gearing, a permanent magnet motor, and the electronics all in one package. It allows us to design for the actual running load of the conveyor. And what we're finding is that we've got energy savings of anywhere from 35 to 75% depending on the customer's application. So in many instances, we'll come to a customer's facility that has an existing line. We'll use our power meters to show them what the power utilization is, and then we'll replace it with one of our newer technology permanent magnet motors, and we'll show them what the electrical savings could be for that application.
And the advantage is having the three technologies integrated in one package optimizes system efficiency.
It not only optimizes the efficiency, it allows us to minimize the customer's number of spares. These come in standard ratios with an available 2,000 to 1 turn down, so we can accommodate a wide range of RPMs in their system design with a single unit. And what our customers have been able to achieve in this particular application, we're going to show you what the ultimate savings is. It's actually a 60% reduction in electrical utilization. So when our customers can take a single motor in their plant, recognize what the electrical savings would be on an annual basis, and multiply it by the sheer number of motors they've got, they find that they can bring their electrical savings down often by 50% or more.
And you say that in many applications it's payback in...
The payback is typically calculated, and it has never gone over 3 years. So if you compare to the existing technology, it's a slightly higher initial capital investment. The payback is under 3 years, and you achieve the savings for the lifetime of the equipment. So with that, thanks for dropping by the SEW booth, and come again.
Thanks very much, Hans.
Have a good day.